Hello, it's Alex here again with the TVR. As you'll know, if you've seen the first two videos, the body is off, the chassis is metalwork is all done, new outrigger is all grafted on, which means that in this video I'll be stripping the car down a bit further, making the whole thing look as beautiful as possible, bearing in mind it's not a full restoration, more of a do the outriggers and make it all look as good as possible and address any issues as I see them, but I'm not going to be replacing everything nut and bolt. So please stick with me for the video, subscribe, watch the earlier ones, and I hope you enjoy it. Cheers. Okay, so you'll have to excuse the mess. It's been a busy time here in the workshop. This is where we're at with the car. About to mount it back up into the body, or mount the body onto it, whichever way around you want to go. Yeah, you can see it's a lot better than it was when I took it apart. Interestingly, because it's not a full chassis resto, I haven't actually taken out the drivetrain, but it still managed to look pretty good. I suspect that once it's up in the air, I'll have a bit more painting in the areas that the spray couldn't reach, and tidying up a few bits. Yeah, it looks pretty, I'm pretty pleased with this one. It looks quite tidy. Ignore some of the cable ties. TVRs are mostly held together with cable ties. There will actually be a lot more when it's finished, but this is mostly so I can mount the body up and nothing catch. If you notice that the rear uprights and rear lower wishbones are actually missing at the moment, and this is because I was having some issues with the rear toe adjusters, meaning that I'm going to have to sort that out next week. I'd rather crack on and get the body on as it is now. It'll be okay. Worst case is I'll sort something out, but they'll go on okay. I mean, as you can see, they're all ready to go. Just the rear toe adjusters are being a bit stubborn, so got to work that one out. But apart from that, a couple of bits to do on the body before I put it back on, but that's basically it. That is how you do a set of outriggers on a TVR Chimera. Obviously shortened massively and missing some steps, but hopefully the important bits are captured. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to put at the end of the video, I'm going to put the marrying it back up into the body, and then I might put another video out of the whole process in one, which might be a bit easier to watch actually. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please leave some comments, like, subscribe. If you do subscribe, click the little bell icon, so means that when I do put videos up, you actually see them, because YouTube doesn't always tell you. But yeah, I hope you like it. It's going to look pretty good when it's all back together. It's pretty tidy. As you can see, it's a lot better than it was before. I'll repeat again, this wasn't actually a full chassis resto, however it does look like it from a little bit of a distance. This is basically a outriggers, take all the wishbones off, clean them up, cut them the same as the outriggers, new bushes, new shock absorbers and springs, and yeah, paint it best I can without stripping the chassis down more. Yeah, it looks fantastic. So big difference, big improvement on the crusty old thing that was before, but then it had done 27 years, so I think it done quite well actually. But yeah, we're looking a lot better. So if you've enjoyed this video, please stay put for the next one. Subscribe, leave comments, all that usual YouTube stuff. It all helps to drive more traffic to me, and the more traffic I get, the more videos I will make. Cheers, and hope you've enjoyed it.